Hello. This is The Secret, the magic, or the law of attraction, revised by me in my notebook here. I really like to write, so I'm just describing it, right? After the 28 practices. Once you've completed the 28 practices, you can use particular practices to increase the magic where you specifically need wherever you want and choose to attract into your life, the home, the business, the life, the auto, everything you would ever want. Pay attention to everything you are attracted to. At the end of the 28 practices, there are also recommendations of practices you can use in combination which will accelerate the magic in specific areas of your life. You can never overdo gratitude. Your life can never be too magical. Use your practices over and over so that the gratitude seeps into your consciousness and becomes second nature to you. After these 28 practices, you will have rewired your brain and implanted gratitude into your subconscious mind, where it is automatically the first thing that comes to your mind in any situation. The magic you experience will be your inspiration because you have incorporated gratitude into your days, and they will be nothing short of spectacular. What are your dreams? Many of the magical practices are designed to help you achieve your dreams. Therefore, you need to get clear about what you really want. Sit down with a pen and paper and describe what you really want in every area of your life. Think through every detail of what you want to be, do, or have in your life, in your relationships, career, finances, health, and in every area that is important to you. You can be as specific and as detailed as you like, but remember your job is to simply describe what you want, and the how you're going to get what you want will be shown and done for you. That's how the gratitude works with magic. If you want your dream job, think about everything you want the job to be. Think about the things that are important to you, such as the type of work you want to do, how you feel in your job, the type of company you want to work for, the kind of people you want to work with, the hours you want, the work where you want to work to be, the money you want to receive. Get very clear about what you want in the job by thinking it through and thoroughly writing down all the details. If you want money to educate your children, work out the details of their education, including which school you want the children to attend, the cost for the school fees, books, food, clothing, and transportation, so that you will know exactly how much money you will need. If you want to travel, then write down the details of the countries you want to visit, how long you want to travel for, what you want to see and do, where you want to stay, and then by the means of which you want to travel. If you want a perfect partner, then write down every detail of characteristics about that partner. If you want to improve relationships, then write down how you believe you can improve them and to be grateful for them. If you want more health or improved bodily conditions, be specific about ways you want to improve your health or body. If you want a dream home to be more like a room by room, if you are more specific about material things you want, like a car, clothes, or anything else, write them down. If you want to achieve something such as passing an exam, getting a degree, goal in sports, succeeding as a musician, doctor, writer, actor, scientist, or a business person, or whatever it is, you can get as specific as you like by writing it down. I would strongly urge you to find the time to maintain your descriptions throughout your entire life. Write it all down. Everything you could possibly think of, write it down. Every thought written is a seed planted that will sprout and curate the best possible thoughts. As you think of more things, add them to the list. And as you receive and enjoy the reaping of your own harvest, an easy way to do a list of what you want to do is to divide it in categories of health and body and career and work, money, relationships, personal desires, material things, and just add the things you want in each category. When you get clear about the things you want, you are giving a definite direction to the way you want gratitude's magical power to change your life. And you are ready to have the most exciting and thrilling adventure you've ever been on. Count your blessings. When you start counting your blessings, your whole life will turn around. You'll have heard people say to count your blessings, and when you think about the things you're grateful for, that's exactly what you're doing. You must realize that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do, and it will magically transform your whole life around. When you're grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, how you will use those things instantly increases. Be grateful for the money you have, and the amount you will have, you will see magically grow. Be grateful for the relationship, and you will magically and miraculously get even better. Be grateful for what you have, always knowing your dream job. Things will begin to change so that you will enjoy your job even more, and all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear. Count your blessings is the only way to live in abundance. Better to lose count while naming your blessings than to lose your blessings counting your troubles. First thing in the morning, count your blessings. You can write out in a journal with a pen. That is the absolute best way. There is incredible power to writing things. Keep all your journals in one place. Today you're going to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life and that you're grateful for. When Einstein gave thoughts, he thought about why he was grateful. When you think about the reason why you're grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel gratitude even more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling. So with each item on your list, write the reason why you're grateful for it. I'm truly blessed to have a home because there's a roof over my head. I'm so happy and grateful for the imagination because I believe it will accomplish my dreams. I am truly grateful for the garments that I have on, for they are stainless. With all my heart, I am thankful for all the writings because it has transformed my life and has never let me down. So thank you to all the authors I've written through, as I know it will guide me through to my wildest dreams. So thank you. That's an example. That was personal. And feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to the universe, God, spirit, goodness, life, or your greater self, or whatever concept you decide to be drawn to. When you direct your gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel even more, and your gratitude will have even more power and create even more magic. There is a reason why ancient cultures chose symbols like the sun to direct their gratitude towards. They were simply using physical symbols to represent the universal source of all goodness. And in focusing on that symbol, they felt more gratitude. The practice of counting your blessings is so simple and so powerful in altering your life that it must continue adding to your blessings every day. The more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely at your life you have received and you are continuing to receive. So much in every day. There's really so much to give thanks for. You could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, your work, and your pets. You could be thankful for the sun, the water that you drink, the food that you eat, the air that you breathe. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the plants, the blue skies, rain, the stars, moon, and beautiful planet of Earth. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, and your skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs that you walk on, and your hands that you use, the voice that enables you to express yourself and to communicate with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well and all of your organs that maintain your body so that you can live. And what about the significance of your own human mind, which no computer technology in the world can duplicate? Here are some subjects that will remind you of the major areas you can look for blessings to be grateful for, and you can add any subject you want depending on what is important to you at any time. Magic gratitude subjects: health, body, work, success, money, relationships, joys, happiness, love, life, nature, material goods and services, and anything of your choosing. You should feel significantly better and happier after each time you count your blessings, and how good you feel is a measure of how much gratitude you felt. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel and the faster your life will change. Nevertheless, when the going gets tough, keep going on and on. As you continue to count your blessings each and every day, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in your life each time, and you will see your blessings multiply. Count your blessings first thing in the morning and at night before rest. When you get to the end of each day, say the magic words "thank you" repeatedly, feeling the state of gratitude as much as possible, and then repeat. Thanks.